Hello everybody, today I've been given the pleasure to unbox the new AC11 4K Ultra HD handheld camcorder. So let's just keep it simple, get straight into this, and let's see what's given to us inside the box. And straight off the bat we are given what seems to be a user manual. This is where all of the information you need is in there. We're also given a USB charger and a little nice plastic bag. And then a Li-ion battery as well. This can be placed into the camera to, of course, turn it on. But yeah, we are also given a remote controller. So the camera, I'm pretty sure it can be used from afar, which is also amazing. And then we're given the actual 4K camera right over here. All right. So for the 4K camera, here it is, digital video camera. Comes in a little nice pouch that you can hold with you. And then it comes with a little bit extra protection, as you can see. But here it is, a very nice black color, very simple, very beautiful. First thing we're going to do is place the Li-ion battery right over here. Just like that, connects very easily. But yeah, you can place this right over here. This will hold on. Here, over here is your mode button. This is how you could change your camera. I'm pretty sure you can do, there's night vision, which I will show you very simply. There's slow recording. There's a ton of stuff that you can actually do when it comes to using the modes. I'm pretty sure there's 10 different modes. It even goes up to 16 times zoom, 4K, 30 FPS, very high resolution. Here's your zoom. This is how you increase and decrease, and then here is taking the picture, and then this is how you record and stop a recording. But yeah, just by opening this right over here, 3 inches by 3 inches, full 270 degrees, as you can see, 270 degrees, which is really nice. You can move it into whatever you would like. Right over here are the 3 buttons that say power/light, menu, and display. So by simply clicking this, just focus, you'll realize that there's a light here now that you could turn on and turn off by using the button that is inside, which is perfect. We are also given the display. This is how you can turn the display on and off. Inside of here is the USB where you could place, and then under here is where the memory card goes. But yeah, let's get to the actual exciting stuff and look at the camera. Oh, and also this can, if you are able to go to settings by clicking menu, and then heading over to resolution, it actually goes up to 4K 60 FPS, and then you could control it and change it to whatever you like, which is amazing as well. But yeah, let's get into the actual recordings. Let's place this to the side. Let me place this to you so you guys can actually see yourself. So this is how everything looks. So I simply just, here, let me show you something. If you look at me here, and if we go to mode, here are all the recordings. You can click it, of course, is touchscreen. And let's click the slowly recording. And then let's also click the power/light and turn everything into black and white. This is the night vision mode that I was talking about. And then by simply clicking this button right over here in the corner, yep, right over here, I will just click record. And then I'll just go across my table, show you guys how everything looks when you are done. And then just click it back. And then by using this button right down here, you will just click on it. Again, this is touch screen. You can just play the video right over here, as you could see. It is, again, in black and white. If you look very closely, everything is in black and white. Once more, you can click on slow recording. You can click on whatever you would like and set it to whatever you would like, which is fantastic. But yeah, 10 different modes. Everything is amazing. I also love the 48 megabytes worth of space on this. Ultra high definition. Everything is truly perfect about this. But yeah, that is pretty much it for the AC11 4K Ultra HD. No, and there's actually this right here where you can place a microphone or a light by just simply popping this off. This is where it will go. But yeah, that is really everything I have to say. You have seen the night vision, you have seen The 10 different modes, 16 times zoom, 270 degrees. Everything is compact in this little camera, which is phenomenal. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you all have a phenomenal day. Thank you.